Hi guys, it's Stacy from FionaLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? Have you? Click that button, little blue button. Subscribe now. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. So a few things happened during the live event. I was given an opportunity to talk to some people that are subscribed to the channel. If you haven't yet done that, why not? And find out what exactly you guys are looking for and you want to know. Well, lucky for me, you guys brought questions and comments and things that you wanted to learn. So here's one of them. Kathleen wanted to know about wiring a chandelier. So if you're displaying a chandelier, you're selling an old chandelier or even a newer one, which this is, you want to light it up and make sure that people know it works. Plus it sells better when people can see it all lit up and they're pretty. So I have this chandelier that I picked up at one of the All City sales that I was at. I left my window shade open, the sun's going down. And it's pretty. It's cute. It's green and pink, and I'm gonna fix that situation. It's cute. It's not the greatest, but it's cute. And it's got a few condition issues as far as it's missing all its crystals. As you could see, at one point it did have crystals and it doesn't have them anymore. So they must have decided they didn't want the crystal look. They took them off. The little metal pieces are bent. So I'm going to get this back in shape. I'm going to put the crystals back on. I always have a collection of crystals here. Let's see what I've got. A bunch of teardrops. Let's take a peek at these. So I picked these up for $2.50 at my local thrift store. Always, always, always keep your eyes open for a bag of crystals. I mean, check that out. These are kind of perfect for this. So I'm going to replace what they took off. So crystal chandeliers sell really well. Like just things with if you want a girly room, you got to have the crystals. And it looks like each one of these would have had two. And then I think that's, oh, no, there's some up here too. You see that? So let's figure out what we're going to do with that. Oh, that's not the same. Okay, so all the crystals are on and I can kind of play with the, pieces and parts to make sure I like the way the crystals are hanging after we finish this video. But the only thing you're going to need for this is super simple process. Now, we all do it. All of us vintage people do this. You don't need to be an electrician to do this part, because this is just basically, showing people that it works. And you make sure you tell people at the counter to remove the lamp kit. So this is from an old lamp. You can buy a lamp kit at the hardware store. I think they're like $5 at my hardware store. My hardware store is overpriced, so it's only $5 there. It's only $5 anywhere. And then the chandelier has been taken from a ceiling fixture, and it's a used chandelier. I paid $5 for it at the All City sale, so $2.50 for the crystals, $5 for the chandelier, $7.50 total investment plus a lamp kit that I already had from something else, and I'm normally going to charge $70 for this when I sell it. So if it lights up, it's $70. I mean, that's a good profit, good $60 profit. You're also going to need some of these wire nuts. I think there's called wire guards on the box. And you can get any kind. They come in yellow, red, different colors. I had these, so this is what I'm using. And the only thing you're going to do, there's two wires. There's two wires You're going to take one wire from one and attach it to the other. And you're going to want to twist them so that there's a good connection there. And then this, see it's got little threads or whatever in there. Shove that down in there and you're going to twist it down. Now it's on there and it's protected. The wires are not exposed. Sometimes I see a lot of my other fellow picket fence gals and their wires will be exposed. That concerns me a lot. I don't want to start a fire. I don't want anybody working there with turning on a lamp getting injured. So I like to make sure mine are covered. When the OG puts them on, I'm not sure if his are completely covered. So if you pop into Picket and you're like, hey, yours aren't completely covered. I didn't do that one. Twist this one down. It's not going to come off. See, it's all on there. Now let's plug this bad boy in and see if she lights up. I have not plugged her in yet, so I don't even know if the chandelier I bought works. If it doesn't, then it's a more involved process. The OG will have to be involved because he knows how to do electrical, and I don't, as far as like rewiring an entire chandelier. Let me find a plug-in. There's one behind me. Hang on. Oh, if I electrocute myself, tell my daughter and my husband I love them very, very much. And I'll miss them dearly. I'll be haunting them till they die. Hang on. Hey, she lit up. Nice. One of the bulbs is burned out, but she lit up beautifully. So this is done and it's heading into Picket. All right, that's how you do this process. It's not a big deal. And anybody can do it, you know, and then it makes it more clear to the customer that your chandelier works. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, it's the little blue button right there. Click that button, get subscribed. I've got more tips and tricks coming. I'm happy to answer your questions too. So if you want to comment down below stuff that you'd like to see me do, I've seen your questions and comments, and I will be doing a few of those coming up shortly. So if you've already made a request, I have seen it. It's in process. And if you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junkin shirts, don't forget to click the links below. It supports me. It supports this channel. And I'm so grateful to everyone that has gotten their shirts. You can also buy me a coffee. Again, that money goes back into stuff like this to show you guys how to do these projects. And as always, happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.